na mpanyinfoɔ entu sɔfo akwasi Owusu ɛfo sɛ nsɛm bi a ɔbɛba abɛkeka no ɛde oyene ɛbɛba Ghana Muslim any Christian ntɛm makano several times ɛwɔ me platform yi dɛn ɛso sɔfo Owusu Bempah obie ni hɔ a ɔbɛdwene ho sɛ ɔbɛyɛ ɔbɔne da daabi obi bie ni wiase a ɔbɛdwen ɛwɔ ho sɛ ɔbɛyɛ ɔbɔne da na mmom ɛhyeɛ a nyame atwa ɛde ato hɔ de ama wo no unya duru ɛhyeɛ na wontimi ɛntra da biara da
Owusu for me mamu nyina makɔ abade ma Ghana Nsɛm TV so but omo de so be like video no subscribe to the channel and turn on notification so no be next time videos of this nature was also to make na say them no from Mr. President was am be some cause me no fine and by chance you would want to contribute to the studio works Eiii BBI light sound and internet. Mostly in Ghana we have a lot of internet issues. The episode boy BBI and Sakai in Bempah better was now a video just passed Sunday about 10 about Owusu Bempah was back. On numerous occasions, Mr. President must make me stance clear. I believe in the anointing over the life of Prophet Owusu Bempah, no matter whatever the situation is. I understand as a true member of the Patriotic Party and the way Prophet Owusu Bempah has dealt with NPP using his platform and all that. I think people might argue with me, say, Nekasa, but beyond so we need panel, and beyond so we need panel, to emotions. So obviously, if he chooses his stance must be respected. But the anointing or the unction upon his life can never be queried by men. That is what me personally I believe. Me GD no. It's bit much also GD or comment section the man sir. Now, I'm said now I could say the chairman as a couple of days. He was back to find Nigerian name Prophet Bishop sorry. Now so for the same come name said or say the next president of Ghana ever shut down churches. And you see Yawoku Muhammad Sebi in a mini panumbi I agenda na peki and politicians couldn't deal with those agendas. But these are genuine questions. Makola Jumfoni Busami. Sisi are prophetic, yet they corrected at the guide and I said it caused confusion. Because so Okacha said the next president of Ghana ever shut down churches. Let's say in there, Nippon will be next president when you're Christian. So you're Christian, they are Ghana, when you're Christian, the way Muslim. Jajitum said, Inshallah, Dr. Lad Mubba may be the next president of Ghana. But I did back when Jin to me say, Bakacha said the next president, Dr. Bawumian, will shut down churches. You know, correct? And I think it's a prophetic word we buy in Owusu Bempah as a on Tias Maninsi. Ira, Radenshi saying in Panchi. To tell an assembly about when you are but we move a Judy. It is in same business and could be cancelled before I am high. So even put as soon a man of God, the kindness, Hampun it here. Bawumian record Judy. So the best solution would be that you confront Bawumia. This is the situation at hand. Let's move around it and resolve the issue along the line. That's the best thing to be done. Because Dr. Bawumia almost ready pa. Ne say wonya ne sa. Ne say Awurade ma utumi say obesi hini ne otu hini. Say the mu bi agidie no. Now they no e be make a decision ira. Adaroma, o man yesrew. Wan ka say. Some no can mood. But in Kofoni be on Makwala market, Momo Kumasi Gejita market, expressive concern. And concern be hard drink. Concern be hard drink. These are issues that Christian councils must set up. Because I mean, me a Cramoni, Maku video we are. Call your Christopher Bromo destiny helpers in Cramofo. It is here the normal way it was Cramoni, the Obo basic, Cramoni, the Obo basic. Next time, Christian Yam Cramoni would be if don't feel. But we've lived in peace and harmony for years. A big community, Zungo communities. a Christopher Kozo go preach. A Muslim means for a Christopher Bobo, a Tonyum, a Herbo Bom, ye be abo. Said a Christopher compound or our Muslim for. The connection between ourselves is an everlasting connection. Tira, see, Shema no maybe say a banner in Titamuba, and why as something. Ko anya require any camophone time, camophone Christopher saw down Ghana had. You see that. So it simply means that the Islamic community in Ghana are different.
Anadwi asofo ene a prayer team no abo empire pa. Na die mi hu ye no, mimbe gina abonten enkase mehu. Ena die osoro NBA so enkyere mi wosunsumo so memma eye abonten emma embeka. Esan se onyankopon edin no se odi efini nkekan ne entro eni didin ekasa breko a onkasa ya atemu na ewo ho ma no eso. That was the last 2-3 months. And I was so down, you may be Eddie Chrem say. Biema a year Christian Council, and now in Pennyfo, into a year sofu Owusu. Efo say, and Sembia or Beba Abeke Kano, Eddie Uyendi, Ebeba Ghana, a year Muslim, any Christian, and Tem. Makano several times ewo me platform ide eso sofu Owusu Bempah obi ni wa obedwene ho se obeye obone da bi obi bie ni wiase a obedwen ewo ho se obeye obone da nemum ehye a nyame atwa de ato hode ama wo no unyeduru ehye na wuntimi entra da biara da NPP for ene Ghana impanyefo etwa se butimi sole waka esan se obi ehye nkom na se enkom hye no chima ewo ho a adifo ni bi yehu se nyame na kasa yehu se o kasa fa ono animu se otai ana odoso no de kasa yemu bi ne yebo ho mpa ya sunsum no dan na di de kira yen asamu na me ka se mo anhwe ye no mo anche na nton ne no ankasa won nsem bi a ya ogina na aso dem ekeka edi oyende ebeba asase Sunday mahu se ogina na aso dem akofa Nigeria ni bi a Nigeria ni no eso ehye nkom ewo ho se ye papa Mahama efiri so na enipa obeba no oye devil na yama yani anda ho ne yamasa devil no eba Christian country a ye friend say Ghana no Christosom obegu Christosom ye nyina yani eda say after ye papa John Dramani Mahama no de ebibi dodo na de wani hwe ne se Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ebeba na mebeka asem bi a osoro dan na di kire me se sofu Owusu Bempah obesha se akeka den ensem bi a emfa enimapa emma omanum said ye odi yewura Mahama isi ho bese 3 to 4 years ne ho adwuma senkama oma power no nanso said ye na enema ko hardship no Ghana ni padodo no ekoto aba ema ne bum de bia meka se ball ene presidency nyame ne nsa enim bi ball ene presidency nyankopon ne nsa enim bi nyina ya asase so den aheniye enti na okakire esuafo no se sabo bompa ya mommo mpa ya ka se mwaja wo soro udin ho ntew waheni mbla ewo asase so esan se onyankopon aheniye no ewo soro bonsam aheniye na ewo den asase so enti president onyame onsi president but enipa say ya wodia obetimi ede nano ene ne nsem bi a obeka ede afa eye enipa bi ho no enipa beba benya tan ewo saa enipa no etwa se eye ne diabetes ye mfa ema no working can 1 Corinthians chapter 16 verse 9 wo se ekwan akese bi abie anke mu adwuma beso aba kese ne so ho akwansifo edoso se NPP fo anhwe yie na omo amfa ne ma angugu akwan mu yie enema be famase esan se ne sofo akwasi ehya ase ewo sof ye papa John Dramani Mahama ho no ehu fia ogudu no wasa hyase biem na eye enketenkete na eba ebeye den na eye Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia wabedane eye Ghana eye Muslim country nyempo yempo a Christopher na yese yesom nyame no ababe ne yeso yehwe ende wochena sofu wei asole atia wei sofu wei echi wei tum sofu wei yese Muslim ni be ne wambe se wabegina social media yese de Christopher na se sofu timi gina asondem ehihye adwuma ekekansa eniema wei na se sebeta frache nyame ambamu na se Muslim for no antiase se ade apapa we omo so ebeso ano a edie ne besi wodan Ghana minuanom Muslimifo minuanom Christofo country we enye obi biadea enye odifo biadea but eye onyame country eye oman ni nyina den edea enti obi ede enkom hyebi ebetu dwa yemu bi ne yebo ho mpa ye 24/7 ebise Awurade se ade we nyame na eka na obi eni ha obetimi aye sofo Owusu Bempah se okokunu ana obeye ne bone nyina eye setting nyina ye adwuma enhyehyeye ede ma eye agenda eda nanim eye 2028 for election no misramo Christian council mo nsole asofo mpanyifo mo nchi papa no entranse eniema bi wo no mo a okeka ede oye ne ebeba enye nyame na aka okasa wonimu ono ani firi nimu ne den ekasa anadwo yabo empire pa ne niema bi osoro dan na bi ede ekere me no mame mfa ensi hanom na NPP fo so no mpanyifo no benemo di enkomo bi enye secret me catch am say flag bearership no ye yiye wie na emom eye presidency no akwasi wusu ewo na agenda ode nano ebekeka ensem bi sinyato enipa trimu pe won forget 2028 we did the general Ken Mekisedek with me afre me sare mene ana sare me so for God rich bless.
Those of you who know what is going wrong, you don't say anything. You keep quiet because you don't want to be misrepresented. You don't want to be attacked. You don't want to lose your job. So you keep quiet and you see evil going on. Talun kasan wahasalun di kamalun eleitu kawasalan kefalun kasun. Oh, that the God of heaven, the God of justice, Teleitu kasilan mahasulun kiwasalan, shall step in the equation and make sure none of you go unpunished. It's just a matter of time, and it doesn't matter how long it takes.
Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams is back on the Monchimonka Highway. A similar case, Talum Kasan.
And you wives who don't speak to your husbands, you know they are stealing, you know they are thieves, you know they haven't worked for that money they are bringing, you know they bought you a brand new car and you don't ask them, where did you get this money from? This car is $250,000. You have never earned $10,000 before. You've never saved $5,000 before in your bank account. Where did you get money to buy me this car? You don't ask them. You just enjoy it and you give them good sex. And they have wives who will never tell their husband, you have never worked before. You've never set up any business. You don't pay taxes. How come suddenly you come home with briefcase of money? Where is this money coming from? Where is this brand new car coming from? Where did you get money to build this new house? You don't ask questions. You enjoy it and give him more sex and encourage him to go kill, lie, steal, scheme, destroy, make money at the expense of poor people. And you don't understand the implication. He will die prematurely. His days will be few. He will not live long to enjoy that house. He will not live long to enjoy that brand new car, because he didn't sweat for it, he didn't work for it, he cannot hold it. Check the Bible. When the men schemed against Daniel and got Daniel into the lion's den, their wives and children didn't know anything about it. When Daniel survived and prevailed, the king issued a command and said, all the people who are behind Daniel's suffering, who schemed to put Daniel in prison, go for them, bring them, their wives, their children, their household, throw them all into the dens of lions. Their wives who were innocent, their children who were innocent, all of them were eaten by the lions, even though they were not part of the conspiracy.